Knoxville, Iowa, the dirt is jet black, good for growing corn, even better for racing an 800 horsepower World of Outlaw sprint car. For sprint car drivers and fans, Knoxville is the Midwest Mecca of mud. Hi everybody, welcome to the 40th annual Amoco Knoxville Nationals. Boy, are we ready for the greatest night of sprint car racing of the entire season.
But right now, everybody has upset in mind as they watch Doug Wolfgang way back there as Dave Blaney leads the field down off turn number 4. Will the green be out? Next to him, Steve Kinzer, 5-time champion. We've got a green.
We do indeed. You saw the yellow car, 57, Danny Smith, try to move to the inside. There was not enough room. So it's the man on the pole, the 48 car on the inside, who takes the early lead, Dave Blaney. Look at him go.
Genghis Bar, not 100 yards from the fence in turn number 1. And it's here that a lot of the fans, and crews for that matter, like to come after the races, have a couple of brewskis, bench race a bit about what happened. But don't come in here looking for fried cheese or nachos or a nice glass of French Chablis. This is a real man's kind of a bar. If it's cold beer you want, you've come to the right place. Or maybe a good pool challenge back in the room, or stuff some quarters into the jukebox. And on the walls you'll find a lot of sprint car memorabilia, posters and so forth. In fact, they even sponsor one of the cars. You know, this used to be considered a little bit of a rowdy joint, but that all ended with the drought of '81. That brought a stop to the wet t-shirt competition.